I would like to welcome our chief guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor Ma'am, Padam Shri Professor Sonia Nityanand Ma'am, to kindly grace the dais. I request our head of the department, Professor Monica Kohli Ma'am, to kindly escort Vice Chancellor Ma'am to the dais and welcome her.
Very good morning, respected Chief Guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Padam Shri Professor Sonia Nityanand, Honorable Vice Chancellor, distinguished faculty member, Dr. Nityanand. On behalf of Department of Medicine, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the 65th Foundation Day celebration of our institution and the Professor S. Jackie Corporation.
A very good morning to all. Heartily second what Dr. Dinesh Kaushal said. Welcome. Welcome the dignitaries on the dais. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor Ma'am, who's very busy but still takes out time for us. I think we are a special department for her. Professor Anita Malik Ma'am, who was the orator today. Welcome ma'am and thank you so much for coming. Professor Dinesh Kaushal, who's my organizing chairperson, and Dr. Brijesh. Also off the dais, I'd like to acknowledge Madam Yajnik, who makes an effort every year for coming. And Mamta, who's come from another institution, but I think we still treat her as our own, and all the faculty from other departments also. Thank you so much for coming. I'll try to keep it as short and brief as possible.
I am so happy to be here on the Foundation Day as well as Professor Yajnik's oration. Mr. Yajnik is there. I really feel honored. This is a very big thing for me.
Good morning, Mrs. Yajnik, Anita ma'am. What a pleasure to see both of you here. I'm sorry for the delay. Lots has been said by the HOD about the Department of Anesthesia. I would just like to express my sincere appreciation for almost every faculty member of this department, because in some form or the other they have all visited the department, either in electives or in emergency. There has never been a chance, ever since I can remember in the past few years, that a call has gone unattended timely. Dr. Anita Malik, who's the orator for today, Dr. Abhijit Kaur, the Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. Monica Kohli, the head of the department, Dr. Dinesh Kaushal, Dr. Brijesh Pratap Singh, CMS, I can see he had come, he's left me, Dr. Ojha, CMS Trauma, Dr. Premraj, MS Trauma, Dr. Mamta Hajai, all the esteemed faculty members of the Department of Anesthesia and from the institution, Mrs. Yajnik, and all the staff, students, and most important, the residents of the department. Dr. Monica Pole began by saying that I took out time to come for this inaugural session of the 65th Foundation Day of the Department and the 5th Professor Yajnik oration. This oration is very, I would say, very sacrosanct for me, because Professor Yajnik was one of my most revered teachers. He was the head of the Department of Anesthesia when I was doing an undergraduation and post-graduation here.
Good morning to everyone. On the behalf of our organizing committee, it is my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion of the 65th Foundation Day celebration. First of all, I express my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Padam Shri Professor Sonia Nityanand, our esteemed Chief Guest, for graciously presiding over the function and for her inspiring and visionary guidance. I extend my heartfelt thanks to our guest of honor, Pro Vice Chancellor Professor Abhijeet Kaur Ma'am, for her gracious presence and continued encouragement. I am also deeply thankful to our guest of honor, Professor Anita Ma'am and Mrs. Yajnik Ma'am, for her constant support and her valuable time to attend this function. I thank to all our guests from the other departments who has paid the time to join this celebration. I wish to place on record my sincere appreciation on our head of the department, Professor Monica Pole Ma'am, whose leadership and tireless guidance ensured the smooth and successful conduct of today's program. I also thank to our Professor Dinesh Kausal sir